Good morning and welcome to Vlogcember day 22. So today I'm not doing any makeup. I do want to do a couple of eye patches because I feel like I haven't done that in a while. But I just felt like my skin needed a break, so I did an exfoliation, extraction. I blow dried my hair and straightened it. I just feel like it's like it feels so greasy every time I blow dry it, and it drives me crazy. I'm wearing my comfy new sweatshirt from Missguided, and I just wanted to sit down and chat with you guys. It's actually not the morning, it's the afternoon. Very late start for me, but I'm going to do a lot of cleaning today, cleaning Christmas prep. So that is on the agenda, and I'm just gonna pick out some eye patches. Let's see what we can do here. I actually don't have my contacts in or my glasses on, so I can't see that well. Oh, why don't I just do this from Bliss? It's like right on top. Holographic foil eye mask for depuffing and brightening. So I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm not gonna do a face mask just because I exfoliated and extracted, and I just feel like an eye mask should be good. So I'm just gonna do this today. Wow, I can't believe how blind I am without my glasses. Like, I can't see what I look like. Hopefully I can put these on my eyes. So these, let's see, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. I am getting my hair done tomorrow, and I cannot wait. Somebody's so thirsty. Me and Teddy went for a long walk today. Ew, oh, sometimes they're like so slimy. Okay, I think these are on the correct way, hopefully. So fun, they have like little stars on it. So I'm just gonna leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. Probably get some cleaning done in this time. But if you guys follow me on my Instagram, you would have known that I did fail my 3-hour glucose test, which it's okay, I've accepted it, it's fine. I'm definitely a little bit bummed, but there's nothing that I could have done to prevent this. And I think a lot of people have a misconception of gestational diabetes, and they think if they're super fit or they eat clean every day or eat salads and eat super healthy that they won't get it. But you either have it or you don't have it. So that's something that I personally learned myself. Nothing I could have done to prevent it. So even though I snacked a lot, and I did have Starbucks quite often, and a lot of the Starbucks drinks were sugary, I still couldn't have prevented it. So we're just gonna change our lifestyle a little bit. I'm gonna be a little bit more clean and healthy and cut out some sugar. Scott has diabetes. He has type 1 diabetes. So he kind of has all the supplies. He's gonna help me through everything. And right now I don't have to take any insulin. I just have to monitor my diet and what I eat and my sugar levels. So I'm not too worried about it. I'm trying to stay as optimistic as possible. And I just know it can happen. It happens to a lot of people, and I'm okay with it. So it stinks, but I think this is the healthiest for the baby and for me, and I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna work out a little bit more. I'm gonna start going on longer walks again. I was doing pretty well, but then once it gets so cold, I'm like, oh, like I don't wanna walk in the cold, you know? I wish I had a treadmill that I could just walk on, but I don't. So yeah, I just have to make a little bit better of choices and write things down, and it's gonna be fine. I actually found a few Instagram accounts, and a couple of people recently got diagnosed with gestational diabetes, and I already found a bunch of like Starbucks drinks that I can get. I mean, Scott has diabetes and he gets Starbucks. He just gets like sugar-free syrup. So I know there's options there, which is nice. And I can still drink caffeine. So I know so many people, well, not so many. I would say like 95% of you guys are like so sweet, and I love connecting and talking to you. And then there's that 5% that are like, don't drink the caffeine. And I'm like, oh, I didn't know you were my actual doctor, but next time I need to know something, I'll call you up and ask you. But anyways, that's my story of the day, and I'm starting everything later today. I do want to clean and get things done, get things prepped, and make it look really nice in here for Christmas Day. So yeah, and I'm still waiting on a couple packages. Hopefully, I feel bad because my aunt's package, I ordered her a couple of things from Sephora, and I ordered it on December 4th. It is the 22nd, okay? And it's been stuck in a town that's pretty close to me for the last 7 days. So I don't know what's going on with that, but another order that I placed way after that is being delivered today. So it's kind of screwed up. I wish that it was my aunt's instead of my Sephora package, but regardless, I think I'm gonna do a Sephora haul tomorrow in tomorrow's video, and I'm also gonna get my hair done. So I'll take you guys with me, but today, let's do some cleaning. Alright, the lighting is crap everywhere I go, but I just got a package from Nespresso. This is cute, but whoo, doesn't really stay in your hair. I ordered some Nespresso pods. Definitely gonna have to get a sugar-free creamer or drink it black. But I already did some research on some good creamers that are sugar-free. So we'll have to get that. It's fine. I also got coffee for Scott. So I only got 4 boxes this time. Scott always drinks this one, Alto Intenso, which is like a big, there's a decent amount of coffee in here. So he drinks these ones. And then I also got him a new flavor to try. Oh, that one's mine. Oh, that one's mine. Oh, thank God, I needed a new one of these. I forgot I asked for this. These recycling things are so good. They fill up very fast. This is the other one that I got for Scott. It's called Ethiopia. Master Origins Ethiopia. It's like a limited edition one, so I got him that. And then the 2 I got for me, although I'll have to look up all the nutritional facts on this one, but I got caramel cookie biscuit. Do they put sugar in this? Is that? I gotta look this up because I might have to save this until I have a baby. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. And then the other one I got, of course, it sounds delicious. Chocolate fudge and caramel cookie. What a tease for me today. What a tease. So that's what I got for coffees. I'll have to put these away and not touch them. I don't know, I'll do some research and see if I can, but yeah, I got that for coffees. And now I continue to clean. I would probably say this area is the most cluttered out of everything. So I'm just gonna go through this and completely clear it off. Like, it doesn't even look like we have a wooden long countertop. So I'm gonna clean it. And next time you guys see this, it will be nice and empty, hopefully, and clean. Okay, so there's actually a countertop space. So much better and cleaner. And now I'm gonna go get the laundry because I washed all of Scott's work clothes. So I'm gonna grab that, and then it's already getting dark in here, but I still want to do a little bit more, and then I'll be done. I need to change out some wallflowers, so I'm just gonna put it right here. That's been Teddy's new spot. He thinks it's like, I don't know, a rug. It's a folded up blanket, and I was really gonna donate it, but he loves it so much. So I washed it. I just like ran up the stairs. Oh my goodness. You love that spot? Yeah, you're such a good boy. But anyways, I'm gonna change out a couple of my wallflowers because they're getting really low. So let's see what scents I have because I don't know. I don't think I have that many winter scents. Caramel pumpkin swirl, that might be like the closest. Vanilla sage, maybe, because that's kind of like neutral. This one's definitely gonna be tropical. That one's passion fruit. What's this? Ooh, fresh balsam. Yes, we have one. Renew and refresh. This could be a good kitchen one. I'm gonna do renew and refresh in the kitchen, and I'm gonna do fresh balsam in the bathroom. So that is what I will do. I only have 2 plugins that I use right now. So I'm gonna change those out. All right, now I'm just gonna fill up my Nespresso little container. I'm gonna lint roll it first because it's looking very linty. This thing is like made of felt. So I'm just going to lint roll it first so it looks a little bit more neat. All right, that's as good as it's getting. I think I'm gonna put these pumpkin ones over here. These are half decaf, so not as much caffeine in it. This one's decaf, and I'm just gonna put a couple of mine on the left side. So I've got caramel cookie. So I'll just put 2, and then I'll just put 2 of the chocolate fudge. I wonder if that's even good. And then Scott's side's over here, so I'm gonna put all of his green ones right here. He likes bringing this one to work with him because it fits in like a tall mug. And then this one, I hope he likes this. This one's the Ethiopia. I love when it's like completely full. I got this little thing from Amazon, and both coffee makers fit perfectly on top. Okay, now that makes me happy. Okay, now I'm just having a snack. I'm having these organic mangoes. It's just dried mango, no sugar added, and I haven't eaten too much today. If you guys want me to do like what I eat in a day for gestational diabetes, let me know, because like I said, my diet's gonna have to change up a bit. But this morning I had whole wheat toast with peanut butter, and then for lunch I had tuna on a piece of whole wheat toast with an orange, and now I'm having mango. And for tonight, for dinner, we have the same dinner every night, but I never get sick of it for some reason. It is ground turkey with sweet potato and roasted beets and broccoli. So we definitely have a healthy dinner every single night. It's really just the snacks for me, and I don't think I've had any snacks at all today besides this. So just having a couple of these before dinner, and Scott is almost home now. All right, once again, super cozy in here and a lot more neat. Looks a lot better over there. I'm gonna tackle that area and over there tomorrow. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna end my vlog now. So I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogcember day 22. And I will see you guys tomorrow once I get my hair done. I'm really excited to get my hair done and also get my Sephora order in the mail. So I will talk to you guys then.